Welcome back to our EquiTalks series, and this is now our EquiTalks episode number 99. And today is February 11, 2020, Tuesday. My name is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. In today's 99th episode, we will be talking about my analysis that is based on my Evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market for First Philippine Holdings Corporation with a stock code of FPH. By the end of this analysis, this question will be answered or should have already been answered. And what's the question? It's should you buy FPH now or it's better for you to wait for a breakout above 69? As we continue this discussion, you will find out also what's that 69 pesos. Is that a support or a resistance? But first things first, we need to talk about my technical analysis. And a while back, I've mentioned that my analysis will be based on my Evergreen strategy. And what is this Evergreen strategy? Some of you have been asking on social media, what is this Evergreen thingy? So here you go. It's a collection of my Evergreen or proprietary methodologies when it comes to doing short-term trading or long-term investing in the Philippine stock market. And that's right. It works whether you are into short-term trading or long-term investing. To know more about the lessons that you will learn from this online stock market course, which is the Evergreen Strategy, I would recommend that you visit our website at equilyst.com and then you click on the course menu or page on top. There are 6 lessons that you will learn from me in this online stock market course. You don't have to attend you don't have to look for my schedule for in-person seminars because right now I still have no plans of conducting some in-person seminars anyway. What you're going to learn from me in person will be the exact same things that you will learn in the online stock market course because I was the one who recorded it, and it's the exact same pieces of information that you will learn from me, that you will hear from me if I were to conduct this online stock market course in person. So besides, I think it's better for you to between attending my in-person seminars and getting your access to this online stock market course. I think the latter is better than the former because you can learn at your own pace, at your own time. You don't have to travel, no traffic, and then you can replay the course whenever you'd like to. It's a lifetime access as well. Whereas if you're going to attend an in-person seminar, you will not be provided with a video copy for the seminar that you attended to. So this is a better deal, the online stock market course. But without further ado, let's talk about FPH. Today, Tuesday, FPH closed at 67 pesos per share. So support level is at 65.7. Is it 65.7? Yes, it is. And the resistance is at 69. So that 69 pesos in the question that I read a while back is the resistance level. Foreign fundies are, what did they do today? They registered a net foreign, let's double check. I think it's a net foreign buying worth 414,000 pesos. It's a relatively insignificant amount. And the status of the 10 SMACD combination is bullish. And speaking of which, this terminology, 10 SMACD, you will learn what it is about in the online stock market course. Now, the risk level of FPH it's still low because of its historical volatility score of 2.48%. You will also learn in the online stock market course why do I check the risk level of a stock through its historical volatility. What is its significance in terms of decision making? You will learn that in the online stock market course. Now, the today's total turnover value reached 1.8 million pesos. Only local traders were the main drivers of FPH today. They registered. They are net sellers year to date, but it's not something that we should be worried about, or you should be worried about, because foreign investors' participation is not that sizable, relatively speaking, year to date. Okay, now based on my trade and volume distribution analysis, FPH has a volume weighted average price of 66.86. This one right here. If you're watching this on YouTube, I am highlighting the VWAP. The dominant range is between 66.9 to 67, which is closer to the intraday high than the intraday low. Unluckily, the momentum power indicator of FPH is still bearish. What made it bearish? It's because of this volume bar for today. While the last volume bar is green, it's lower than the 50% of FPHS's 10-day volume average. And that's the culprit, if I may use that word, why it has a bearish momentum power indicator. And that means there is no buy signal confirmation for FPH as of market closing on February 11. The true market sentiment of FPH seems to agree as well with my analysis. What made me say that? It's because its true market sentiment for today is bearish. So there you go. All right. So what's my recommendation then? Understand that this recommendation is always under the assumption that your trailing stop is intact. And speaking of trailing stop, you can use our trailing stop calculator. It's on our website. Go to resources, equilyst.com, and then go to resources, click tools, and then you'll find all sorts of calculators on that menu. One of them is the trailing stop calculator. So under the assumption that your trailing stop is still intact, I would recommend that you hold your position. Okay? Don't panic. Hold your position. Now, if you don't have FPH, I don't recommend that you do a test buy right now. Why? I already said the answer. There is no buy signal confirmation yet. For here at Equilyst Analytics, I'm telling my customers that there is only a buy signal confirmation when the 10 MACD and the momentum power indicator of a stock are both bullish. Well, in this case, that's not the scenario for FPH. So what's the answer to the question? Should you buy now or wait for a breakout above 69? Well, apparently, it's more logical to choose to wait for a breakout above 69. And to be more precise, it's more logical to wait for this stock to have a bullish 10 MACD and a bullish momentum power indicator. The good news is that if you are one of our subscribers, if you are one of our customers, if you have subscribed to the stock market subscription service of Equilyst Analytics, then you can always ask for these stocks, for our latest analysis and recommendation for this stock in our private clients forum, especially when you notice a significant change in terms of price or volume. Okay? And what do you get when you subscribe to Equilyst Analytics? There are 6 things. Okay, number 1, you will get an access to our investment guide for long-term investing. I personally monitor the 30 blue chip companies. I tell my customers when I see a buy signal confirmation, when there's a buy signal confirmation, I tell them the dominant range where it is more logical to position your buying price. Number 2, you will receive a daily video with 10 trade setups or 10 trade ideas for 10 different stocks. That's daily, excluding holidays and weekends, of course. And number 3, you will get an access to our private clients forum where you can request unlimited requests for our latest analysis and recommendation for any stock listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange. And number 4, you can submit your analysis. I will personally check it, give you a score and recommendations on how you can make it better so that you can execute your plans better as well. And number 5, if your analysis that is really very good, and with your permission, if you would permit us, We're going to publish that on our website with your picture, with your author's biography, and with your affiliate link or affiliate URL, so that when someone subscribes to us through your affiliate link, you will get a 20% commission. And number 6, when you subscribe to the stock market subscription service of Equilyst Analytics, you will get a free online stockbrokers account from First Metro Securities. Plus, you will also get a 2-month free access to First Metro Sec Pro. It is the most advanced online stock trading platform in the Philippines today. To know more details about the inclusions of our stock market subscription service, please click on or visit our website at equilyst.com and then click the subscribe option on top. And also, I'd like to welcome you or encourage you to sign up to our free newsletter so that you will receive an email when we publish a new episode like this one. How do you do that? Go to equilyst.com, click resources, click learn. Click this orange button, sign up, and then check your inbox to confirm your registration. If there's no confirmation email in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. And of course, don't forget to follow us on all of our social media accounts. There is a description box down below. You will find the links to our social media accounts. Follow us so that aside from that email that you will be receiving when we publish a new episode, you will also be alerted or informed through your favorite social media account when we publish a new episode. All right, so if you have comments, feel free to comment down below. Again, my name is JC De Guzman, and thank you for listening or watching to this EquiTalks episode number 99. Always remember, be evergreen.